Let's now take a look at some of the adjustments that may be required for us to evaluate the derivative asset that we have in mind. Now, specifically, we're talking about convexity adjustment, timing adjustment, and quantum adjustments. Now, convexity adjustment is related to the difference between an expected yield versus the yield implied from expected prices. Okay, timing adjustment is related to the timing of receiving payoffs from derivative asset. And quantum adjustment is related to FX. Now, the approach we take here are still related to this equivalent martingale approach. Basically, it's related, those adjustments are related to the kind of adjustment that we would need when we move from using one asset as a numeraire to using another asset as numeraire. So typically when you try to price a derivative asset, you set up the problem and following this equivalent martingale approach, and then you try to look for observables in the market that you can make the proper substitution like we have seen earlier. But you found that you don't have exactly the right thing for you to make that substitution. You have something close, and then you take what is close and then you make certain adjustments, and then that observable in the market after adjustment becomes something usable for your problem. Then you can substitute it in to resolve your problem. So let's take a look at take a look at the details, how we're gonna approach those kind of things.